And those unbilled items, if we do an honest audit, we will find that many times those unbilled items can be 2%, 3%, even 4%. That's a fairly significant loss rate when you consider the pricing pressure, the request for discount that we're getting, in many cases is about that much, maybe less in some cases. So wouldn't it be great to offset that pricing pressure with recovery of those unbilled items? I know that that would be money in a lot of cases that service providers tell me that would go straight to the bottom line. So that's our objective. How can we reduce loss of unbilled items?
And we use it particularly to satisfy two deficiencies within our organisation. We struggle to be able to document our track record and communicate that to our customers. So how many jobs have you done at a certain depth in a particular country? We struggle to answer that question. And then secondly, we went through some revenue auditing a couple of years ago and found we left a lot of cash on the table. And FieldFX gives us a solution to be able to tighten that up, reduce those errors and improve the efficiencies of the people that are dealing with the invoicing side of things. So it's really a very positive system that we've got to replace these two deficiencies that we've had.
From field people all the way to back office, everyone's connected and integrated, and it's been quite an experience. We are able to take every bit of data on a job and actually bring it in and do something with it now, and it's been incredible what we're able to glean from the information that we've always had but never used.
We're seeing, first of all, efficiencies being improved because of the interface that we have with SAP. So the flow of data is on record, and so that record, the data record, flows all the way through from FieldFX into SAP, so there's less copy and pasting, so there's efficiencies there. So people's actual time improves. They can do other things, more valuable things, because of this automation. And then on the invoicing side of things, obviously that's dependent on getting the tickets back fast. And FieldFX allows us to do that. The mobile application from the guys in the field feeding that data back to the back office allows us to process that data very fast, and with the interface sync it through to SAP.
In the different companies that use Liquid Frameworks for the purposes of tracking jobs and job tickets and services, that the oil and gas industry is a perfect fit for it, and that even if every person or every component of the Archer org doesn't need that, that it's the complement that we need to everything else that we're trying to do.
Hey Doug, hey, how are you? Good to see you.
We want to build a community because we don't really see our product as being a software product. We see it as a platform for continuous improvement. And by having a community where people can share their best practices, share things that they've learned how to do on FieldFX, and basically share their victories with other companies, then that collectively makes all of our customers better.
Just looking at it, from a snapshot from a year ago, we're looking at about a 14% increase in sales, which has been pretty exciting.
The decision to move to Salesforce One has been a fantastic one. We've been able to not only scale the product massively for all the thousands of users that we're ramping up, but not only that, the extensibility that it offers being on the Salesforce One platform is really second to none. So customers can take our product that we give them out of the box and configure it and change it to meet their specific business requirements, as opposed to changing their business to fit the software.
Sometimes they tailor it to what we want. Other times they say, hey, how about if we do it this way? Hey, that's a great idea. The way that they want to do it works actually better than what we wanted it to be.
This is what your customers, the operators, demand that you do. If you want to play in their sandbox, that you must be integrating with them, providing them with this kind of automated workflow, this kind of accuracy and speed.